Okay, let's start. You go to N8N and you register. If you go there for the first, okay, this is the dashboard of your workflow. If you do one click in the home icon, you get this dashboard. Here you can create a new workflow and name it here. I can put maybe the agent improve is Kyle. Okay, so here you have a plus in the center. Okay, we'll use a trigger. So if you do one click, you can go to write Telegram here and use Telegram as a trigger. You can use WhatsApp, Telegram, Slack, and anyone. Okay, so we'll choose on message because we want to get a message. Okay, and here you must create a new credential. If you go there for the first, you haven't any account here, so you create a new credential and you must go to your Telegram. You can directly write here bot further bot. Okay, if you do one click on it, here you will create a new bot. How to do that? You hide slash new bot. You click on it and it will ask you to choose a name. You can I will call it direction. Okay, if I send it, okay, it say I must write direction bot. Okay, first you launch new bot, you choose the name and you write the name with bot in the end. Okay, and you get this code here. Okay, you have two links, the link for get access to the bot and the link that you need to configure your credential here, and you do save to save it. Okay, now you have your trigger. This Telegram is connected with your bot here, so you must click on this link now, and this is where you chat with your Telegram. Okay, if I click on start, I will start a chat. Okay, click on test workflow and you go there and you send a simple message, hello. Okay, if you get a green check, so it is done, it's work. Okay, after that you want to add a switch because in Telegram we send different message. We send image, we send voice, we send text. So here we'll start with text. Okay, we have a switch fields here. We want to fill it, so you choose swing axis. Okay, you click here to create to write text. Okay, and you go to find the text value and put it here. Okay, it is the first. Now you want to add the second way to communicate. Okay, voice. So you do one click, swing axis, and you name voice like that, and you want to add a code, a voice code here. How to get it? Go there, put it in test mode, test workflow, go there, hello there, test, and send a voice. Okay, we get the voice. So if you do double click here, you can go down and find the voice ID, file ID here, and put it here. Okay, so now you have the voice in the bottom and the text in the top. Okay, here we want to add a field. Before we'll add let me add a set here before, because we want to get the text information. Okay, do one click here and you must write here text, and here you want to add the value. Okay, how to do that? You can go there again, put it in test mode, go to your Telegram and send text. Okay, hi. Okay, you need this text. Okay, if I go here, I can click on test step to execute the output here, and I can go there to find the text value to my switch. If I go down, this is the text here, drag and drop it here, it's done. Okay, now we want to get the voice. We'll use Telegram to get file. Okay, if you click here, you go down to choose Telegram, get file, and here you want to add the voice file ID. Okay, so you want to go again or put it in test mode, or you can go directly and send a voice. Hello there, this is a voice. Send it, and now click on test word, and this voice will be go there. If I click on it, if it don't work, deactivate this, put it in test mode, go to Telegram, click here. Hello there, test. This is the voice. You send it, and now you active it. Okay, double click on it, and you'll see in the input you have a voice. If you go down, you'll see you have a switch file ID, voice file ID from the switch. You can drag it here, and now you have the voice in your Telegram. If you do one click, you'll get this file. You need to download this file. How to do that? You must add OpenAI transcriptor. If you go down, you can see transcript a recording. Okay, if you go click on it, you have this, and here you must to create a new credential. How to do that? You go to platform, open a platform, you create your account. Okay, and after that you go to your profile, you add some money between $5 and $10, and you go to API key, you create a new API key, you name AI agent v1, you name your API, you click on default project, and you click on create a new API. You'll get this code, you copy it, you go to your account and you paste it here, you save it, and you have your credential for use any model of OpenAI. Okay, this code and credential will be saved in your anytime. You can use it always when you add a GPT program. Okay, after that you click on test, and you'll get download this file and translate it in text. Okay, let me retry. If I go to my Telegram and go to Telegram test mode, hello there, send it, the voice comes here, and we must this is a bad message. You don't understand because maybe my English is bad, or maybe my headphone don't capture the message very well. Let me try again. Hello, test. Send it. Okay, now we want to get hello test. It don't work. I think it worked very well because I have an issue with my headphone. Let me change it. I use the second headphone like that. Okay, let's try the test. Do one click here, go to your Telegram and send the voice. Hello there, this is a voice. Send it and go to check the transcription. Okay, this is a voice. Okay, cool, it's work. So now we want to add the AI agent, the specific role in anything. Okay, if you do one click here, you can add AI agent. Okay, this is your AI agent. Your AI agent, you can click here and define below and click here to create a system message. You'll work very more time here. You'll spend some time to edit this message, to give instruction to your AI agent about that you want to do. Okay, don't go to learn how to create a prompt. You can do it with your mind, with your logic. You explain that you want, and it will work as it. Okay, so here you want to add the text, the text JSON. Okay, this text is comes from the OpenAI output. If I go there, this program output a transcription, and you get a text. Okay, but if you go here, you'll see this output is input here, so you drag and put it here. If you click on schema, you'll see here, this is it. But you have also this text which come from there, and you need to get it, but you'll notice that the output of this is same as this. So let me show you. If I go to test and let me deactivate it, go to test, and now I send a text. Now activate, do a click. You'll see here we have a text from the edit field. Let me show you. This is the edit field, and in the output of this edit field you have a yellow text. And now the code here, JSON, that text is the same with the edit field. So if I drag and put it, you'll notice that the same I have used from the OpenAI is the same. So you can add only one and it work for those two programs, for this and this. But if it is different, you must add those two information here. Okay, once you add your AI agent, you need to add a NLM. You have Anthropic, you must get his API key, and if you have it, it is very simple. You can go to the Open Anthropic website and get the API, as I have explained for OpenAI. Okay, but here I will use OpenAI because I have already had a API key. Okay, click here to execute preview node if you want to get it. If you don't have it, um, don't worry, we can continue. Here you can change and use the model you want. I use this GPT 4o. If you add Anthropic, you can choose Claude Sonnet 3.7, I think. And now we can add a memory, because when someone talk with your AI agent, he must memorize conversation and answer and give reply. And even if you stop the conversation and return after to continue. Okay, so we want to add a memorize. Okay, we'll click here to add it, and here you must define below, and you need a key. Okay, you will find the key on this switch because those two messages come there, and to get it you must click to test workflow and send again a text or voice if you want. Both will work. Double click here and you have many information here. If you go down in the switch node information, you have here here in the buffet. If you go, let me find it, and you must execute this. Okay, let me find information. We don't have it. Don't worry, you can add it after. Okay, here we'll add our telegram to finish the line from get message to send message. Okay, so you click here and we add telegram. Okay, and go down to find send a message, a text message, and you have already create a new credential. When you create the first, and this credential will be automatically be here, so you don't have to use to create again. Okay, so now we want to put it here and configure this. We want to create, we want to say that you have an full assistant. After we will add main information. Okay, so if I click here, we must get an output, and let me put it in test mode. We have a problem here. Disactive this, put it in test mode, go to Telegram and set it what 4 plus 4, and it can answer to this. Okay, this AI agent use this LLM to reply. Okay, so now we can active this, double click on it, and we have information here. Okay, on this, if you go down in the switch information, you have your chat ID. You can drag it here And if you go in the top, you have your agent output. You can drag it here. And here you can deactivate anything information if you want. Okay. And test step, and you'll get the output. Okay. Normally you must get the output. Let me check. Okay, we have the item here, we have the message and so on. Okay, let me check. If I go to Telegram and say, must it is deactivated. Okay, go to Telegram and say send it. Okay, and send answer, and we get the answer here. Okay, we have the reply here. Okay, it's awake. So double click here and check the information here. All is good. Okay, we have the message. Okay, good. So now we want to add a memory because we have many data. So you can click here, add this memory, double click on it, and find the key. The key must be here, this chart. Drag and drop it here. Okay, nice. And now when your agent talk with you, he can verify the preview message that is stored here to know how it can reply you even if you stop conversation and return to continue with it. Okay, how it works. Okay, this is the simple agent here. Now, this agent work has a chat GPT. It can only use an LLM to answer you. It has a chat GPT. You give an expression and it give you an answer. Let me, what is, say, what is the response about this? And for x plus 10 equal maybe 20. Okay, and send it. You'll use this LLM to send answer to us by Telegram. Okay, this is the exercise here. Okay, fine. Now we want to specialize it. We want eWork has maybe a Gmail manager. Okay, it's here you add many tools to specialize your AI agent. Okay, so here is for get message. Here is for reply to you. And now you can add many tools here. If you do one click, you'll see many tools here. Okay, you have a Google Sheet, you have where you can stock your information, Superbase, you have HTTP requests, you have a Google Calendar, you have Google Drive, you have many tools. So here we'll do it very simple. We'll use Gmail. Okay, Gmail, and click on it, and on this Gmail you want this Gmail, go to check our Gmail and send us information about it. Okay, so here you choose Gmail, and how to do, you must create a new credential, a connect, and connect your Gmail. Okay, so let me show you. If you go there, sometimes if you go to the first, you haven't any credential here. You click on new credential. Let me click on it and delete it because I want to reuse the same. Okay, new credential, click on Gmail, and now you will get this box to connect. Choose your Gmail. Okay, I choose this Kabatos Studio Gmail, and check this, go down, continue, and it will be connected with your anything. So this Gmail that is connected, the AI agent will be able to get access to this Gmail. Okay, so you have all here, click here and choose label, named or ID, and here you'll get many information about your Gmail. You want to check our inbox Gmail and enrolled Gmail. Okay, we will work with those. Okay, now once you add a tools, you must go to your GPT, your agent, and inform it about your tools. Okay, you have, okay, this is the first tool you have add. Okay, after, if I add another tool, I must return and inform it about this tool and said it that it must do with this tool. So I will, for the first, this is my first. If I click here, I can see send me my, and send it, and you'll see, okay, the information go there. You go to check my Gmail and it will send me a message afterward. Okay, we'll get a message here. Let me put it here. Okay, my to Android message is for two most recent Android message subject X. It is someone who has get access to my tally for register to AI course. So if I go to my Gmail, okay, let's continue. Okay, this is our first tool. So here we'll add a second Gmail, a second tool to send message. Okay, we want to send message. If I do one click here, I choose send message. Okay, and here you can use the email where you want to send message, but you can click here. You can click here to put it like that, defining automatically by the model. Your AI agent, when you send message to your Telegram, okay, when you send message on your Telegram, the AI model, the AI here, you will use this model to understand that you say, and it will be able to choose the right information to add here. Okay, so you can do the same for this and the same for this. Okay, this normally you want put this output. No, you no, not the output. You must just send that we want. Okay, if I click here, there are defined automatically, so they depend of your message. Okay, when you send instruction and your AI agent analyze it, use this LLM to understand that you want, it will be able to add the good information to this. Okay, so it is very easy to configure this. Okay, so after that, I don't know, it's well, I think you can click here to uncheck this. Let me define by the model. Okay, here you want to, once you add a new tool, you must go to your agent system image to inform it. Okay, you can see it here. Okay, you also can use Gmail to send message. Okay, yeah, so let's go to test it. If I go to Telegram, we go to Telegram, we'll copy this SSI. Okay, and we'll set it, give response about this SSI. We'll use LLM to answer house. So actually, he don't use those mail. He use only this and find the answer and give us. But he save the response here. So now we can say, now we want he send the reply to this mail. Okay, so let's put it in test mode, go and send. Okay, let's check. You must give it, save it, send it here, and give it to you. The solution of the equation has been sent to, let's go to check it. Okay, if I click here, okay, this is it. You have it in 0 minutes. Okay, fine. So you can save data here, but if you do a business for customers, you must change this and use post this, maybe this or over a big database for more information. So we have two tools, okay, Gmail and mail. Okay, you can save, and let's improve the scale of our agent to add a new tools again.